Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn forms design using Bootstrap. It's a very simple and super excitement you will gain to know how to use these form controls adding along with the Bootstrap framework. See here, one is the HTML email address, the input tag box, how the beautification it is coming, the radius of the text box input tag, it's automatically it is coming. I didn't write any a single line of code here. And see the second one, it is here like a password. When I click the password, how it is coming. All it's very simple and pretty easy to do. And check me out. This is the box is here, checkbox, and the button of submit. Have you seen here? All are very simple to understand. Like what you to do is go to Bootstrap site, the documentation here you can observe. Under the documentation, there is a components here it is, and go to the forms. Let's check here. N number of forms are here. This is the code only I have taken. Copy of this code and add to our site. That's it. The form tag where you have to place on the body place, you place it. That's it. And moreover, if you want to more advanced forms like this, you see the drop downs, select items, multi-text line area, all you will get it here. And moreover, choose file, yes, sizing, read only plain text, all you will get it from what you want. Check with the number of forms and grades and available number of options over here one by one. I hope you are more excited to apply all these in your HTML form. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.